years the agitation has been going on. They have been asking for a separate Gokaland. In fact, they are now stating that Darjeeling was never part of West Bengal. It was part of Sikkim and Bhutan. And with the state government of West Bengal making it clearly clear that they cannot be targeting from West Bengal, tension is definitely going to mount in that portion of Darjeeling. And yeah, added to it is the wars which we are having here, especially in Assam. There are tribes and sub-tribes. If you talk in terms of the situation in Karbi Anwar, it has gone out of hand. In fact, the state chieftain of Assam met the Prime Minister today, had a detailed discussion. He's likely to address the media after some time in Delhi. We'll come to know what has really happened. But as of now, the situation is disturbing. Everyone is keeping a close watch. In fact, actual paramilitary forces have been deployed in Karbi to restore normalcy. But as of now, whatever information we have from our reporters is that an indefinite curfew is Afghana.
Yes, Rajesh, let us get to the root of it. Why do you think, why are these various tribes demanding a separate state? And where do you see the possible solution? Where do you see the possible solution?
Afghana, we can't afford to see the issue in isolation. You see, for a creation of a state, there are two issues which have to be seen very carefully. First is the geographical location and the economic condition of that area.